Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to solve LeetCode number 66, which is 1 plus. This is easy mark question. The question is like that: you are given a large integer represented as a array, integer array digit, where each digit I is the ith digit of the integer. The digits are ordered from most significant bits to the least significant bits in left to right order. The largest integer does not contains any leading zeros. Increment the large integer by 1 and return the result. So let's understand this question. So in this you are given a digit integer representing a non-negative integer, and you need to add one two integer and return on in your array. So let's suppose in this our input is given 1 2 3. Integers are given in array form. So what we have to do is we have to just increment 1 in this, and our output will be 1 2 and increment 1 means 4. Simply we have given integer like 123 and we have to increment it 1 and return the result. This is only just we have to do in this question. That's this example 1. Let's see example 2. If we have given integer like 999, then we have to increment 1 means simply add 1 and give the result like 1000. And here example, let's say its integer is 0, then we have to return 1. So what's our logic going to be? Let's see. We will start from the last digit. Start from last digit. Last digit. So if digit is less than 9, then we just need to increment it by 1. Like here last digit is less than 9 means it's 3, then we just incremented 1 and return. But suppose if last digit is equals to 9, like here, then what we have to do is in simple mathematics, if if 9 plus 1 is 0, then 1 is carried here, then 9 plus 1 again 0, then 1 is carried here, then 9 plus 1 is 0, and 1 carried here, at last 1 is here. So if last digit is 0, then we will set it to 0 and will mark carry to the left and carry over left. And again one more thing, if all digits are 9, then like here all digits are 0, then we have to insert 1 at the leftmost. Then we will insert 1 at beginning. These are all steps we are going to do. So let's look here. So our code is like we have to return in integer form, that is vector int. Let's name it solve, and we are given it in vector means integer form. It's, let's say, digit. So for first we will traverse this loop, this array using for loop with from last to first digit size -1, I less greater than equals to 0. We will decrement I, and now we will check if digit of I is less than 9, then digit of I should be incremented by 1 and return the digit, means entire array. So here should we shall call this, and if digit is not less than 9 means digit is 9, so we will insert 0. At last digit dot insert digit dot begin. We will insert the at beginning 1 at the beginning if all digits are 9. So this is our code. Let's dry run this. Let's suppose our input integer is 999. Let's mark it from index. So when I is pointing first is here, let's check if digit I is less than 9. So here it comes false, so nothing will happen here. Now digit I equals to 0, then digit I here it will be 0 will be inserted here. So then this will look like for I equals to 2, then I will be decrement, means I will point here now for I equals to 1. Again we will check if I is less than 9, no, means false. Then again 0 will be inserted here, then our input array will look like this. Then again I will be decremented at 0. Is I less than digit of I less than 9? No. Then digit of I should be insert 0, then this will look like this. Then I equals to -1. So here condition will be check I greater than equals to 0, false. So we will came out from this loop, and this statement will be executed. Digit of I dot insert digit dot begin in insert 1, means 1 is inserted from at beginning, so this will be this. And at last we will return, here should be return digit, so this will be return. So if we talk about time complexity, it takes O of n, and space complexity it takes O of 1. So let's check our code here. So we will use for loop int I equals to digits dot size -1, I greater than equals to 0, decrement I, and now we will check if digits of I less than 9. If so, then digits of I should be incremented 1, and then we will return digit. If it is not less than 9, means it is 9, then we will do digits of I equals to 0, Then after the loop, then digits of using insert operator, we will insert 1 at beginning, and at last we will return digit. So let's run it. You can see all the test cases are passed. Let's submit for the hidden test case. You can see all the hidden test cases are passed. Total 111 test cases passed. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.